Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a chuck steak in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a beef chuck steak here. There was 2 of them in this package. These were $3.99 a pound, and this was 3 pounds of meat, so $12.05. So this steak here is about 1.5 pounds, I guess. It's boneless, and I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt, some of that Lawry seasoned pepper. I cooked the other one yesterday, so I figured I'd just season this one while I was at it. I actually kind of like seasoning my meat the night before when I can, because I think the salt kind of penetrates into the meat and kind of gives it more flavor and helps it hold on to the moisture a little bit more. So this one has a fair amount of fat, and I'm just going to cook this all by itself with no vegetables. So I'm just going to put this right in the slow cooker and not add any liquid. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high for 3.5 hours. Alright, this cooked for 3.5 hours and the pot shut off. It's been sitting in the pot cooling down for about another hour, so let's take a look. That looks pretty good to me. Let's get it out of there and try it out. Let's see how this looks. You can't even tell that I didn't brown that first, and it made plenty of juice on its own. Look at that. You just cut it with a fork. Don't even need that knife. Look at that. Really tender. Try a bite. Came out real good. It's tender, it's juicy, good flavor. Just kind of melts in your mouth. And Annie's going nuts down there. Annie seems pretty excited on this one here. You smell that meat, Annie? Ready for the taste test? Well, she inhaled that. She liked that one. So that was 3.5 hours on high. Now let it sit in the pot for about an hour and cool down. But if you do it on low, probably 5 or 6 hours maybe. And you could throw some veggies in there if you wanted to, but just thought I'd do the steak on its own today and turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching. See you guys.